Hey, this will be a video chart on ENTB. Got quite a few questions on this one actually yesterday, but just wasn't able to get to doing it. But today I wanted to get it updated here, and yet another solid day. And you know it's a good sign when I kind of have to squish up the chart like this and go way back in the chart's history in order to find resistance levels, because that just tells you how much it's pretty much been breaking out. So great looking chart, and right off the bat, my favorite part is check out this nice little hill here, and when the hills are sloping upwards like that in correspondence with increasing price, that's just a great thing. So this gradual increase in volume corresponding with this increase in price is just a great thing, and the first thing that really caught my eye. And then the second thing, like I said, was all right, I'm going to have to dig back quite a bit of ways to find where these next levels of resistance are. So that's pretty much what I want to do, is just map out the supports, resistances, and that way everybody has an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. So first, let's just start off with some supports. The first level of support that sticks out is just simply yesterday's high. Just technical analysis 101. Resistances become support. So this is going to be the first area of support right here at 0.011. Next area of support, and one that's a little more important, is going to be right here. Let's try that again. Going to be right here, and that's based off of this high, which was at 0.008, and then this high, which was at 0.0075. So if you want to split the difference and call it 0.0077 or something like that. But this is going to be another level of support, a little bit more important. But at the end of the day, the key level of support that matters is this purple line here, which is a 50-day simple moving average. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, you're crazy if you're saying that the price can drop all the way down here and you can still call the chart bullish. How does that work? Well, let's think about this for a second. Let's say it does drop all the way down here, finds support, and then heads back up. Well, this set of lows would be right here, and then the previous set would be down here. So when we would come to draw the trend line, we'd connect our lower lows or higher lows, and we'd be able to still draw an uptrend line. So sure, ideally you wouldn't want to see it drop all the way down there, but technically the chart would still remain bullish because it would still be putting in a higher low. So it's just something to consider. But of course, if your strategy is a day trader, then yeah, you wouldn't want to wait around for all that. But if you're in this for the overall chart, that is going to be the the kind of make it or break it support level. But where the price is right now, that'd definitely be a long fall. Now for the fun stuff, where are the resistance levels at? Well, what I'm going to do is just make a resistance zone, because like I said, we have to go so far back that I think it's just a little easier to do this. So the first part of the zone is going to be from these highs right here at 0.02. You can see this right there. So we'll get this changed to red here for resistance. And then the second portion is going to be up here at these previous lows here, which were acting as supports, acting as support, but since the price fell below them, they're now resistances again. So right here is going to be the top upper part of the resistance zone. So we have this whole kind of area right here, basically between 0.02 and 0.025, that we'll call as resistance levels. And then after that, they thin out even more. As for the questions, where are the next resistance levels? That's what I would call it right here. Just make it a zone, and then if the price can get through there, then it would really be clear sailing. But at the rate that the chart's going, with the continued increase in volume like it's been seen, I don't think these resistance levels are going to stand much of a chance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So once again, I'd encourage you to go to the website. Also, if you leave your comments below, let me know what you think about the chart and what you think may take place in the future here, and just let me know what your thoughts are on things. One more time, this was ENTB. Thanks for listening.